What's up, guys? Good morning. Yeah, it looks like TradeNet actually did take that loss from the other day out. It was about a $15 loss. I was bummed out. I thought maybe they gave me a credit of some sort, but they didn't. But yeah, watching TEUM, NETE, EYES, PIXY. I'll go ahead and add my watch list to the chat. These are all the stocks I'm watching this morning. I'm still kind of looking. What's up, Seven, QCast, Taylor, Troy? What's up, man? What's up, Troy? Where you been at, man? You gave up on the stream, bro? Come on now. D. Evan, what's up, man? Alright, so let's see if any of these are actually tradable on TradeNet. I know PIXY is, NETE is, TEUM is not, EYES is, NSPR is not, PCMI is not, ESRX is, VBLT is. So a decent amount, more than half of the stocks that are on my watch list are actually available to trade on TradeNet. So that's always good. What's up, Power Zone? My son is home from school today with pink eye, guys. No fun. Pink eye. Alright, but yeah, just to show you what's on the other side of my list, I forgot PIXY here. Go ahead and add that to the chat really quick. So I'm watching NSPR2, PCMI, OGEN, a little bit more expensive stock in ESRX. I'm actually going to watch this one for potential short if it does start to drop, in fact. And so keeping an eye on that one for sure. VBLT for a possible bounce back up after this huge wash in pre-market and this huge gap down. The SPY is up. SPY was really choppy yesterday. Hopefully we get some more action with it today. Let's try to look up to see why some of these are actually moving like they are. Alright, so TEUM is entering the Mexican market in a 5-year 4.5 million NVNO agreement. Alright, so NETE has named a new board member, appointed a new board of directors, a new listee on the board of directors, and filed it. And so that's why NETE is up. Gonna keep an eye on that one. I'm pretty sure that's a blockchain related stock. Well, let's see, EYES. Alright, so EYES had good Q4 results that came out yesterday, and so that's why it moved a decent amount in after hours. Let's try NSPR. VSTM is going to be on my list as well. VSTM. Let's check out your list, Seven. So NVCN for Seven's list. Yeah, I kind of like that one. Maybe get in that one on a Robinhood trade. RVP. Yeah, kind of like that one as well. Let's look at the daily or the 1-day chart. CVEO. not bad. INPX. I like INPX. Getting really close to that high of yesterday. I like ZNGA too. These are all high float stocks, it looks like. Yeah, Troy, I do. I had to redeposit money into it because I used it to buy another TradeNet account, and so I still use it. I'm just waiting for my funds to clear in it. It should be clear tomorrow, I think. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna open up my Robinhood web account. So I'll be right back. I'm just gonna open up my Robinhood web account. All right, so I got it up. It says NIHD's earning call is happening now. Not moving too much. We'll see if it moves some with that earnings call. What's up, Matt? What's up, insurance? What's up, man? Yeah, I've been to the TradeNet, not the TradeNet room. Um, I checked it out. I checked the TradeNet room out. I mean, they usually trade more expensive stocks, and so in that regard, um, they don't really call out the cheap low floaters that I like to trade, and so the TradeNet room's okay, but uh, that's why I have trade ideas, just because, like I said, the TradeNet room, they're usually focused on a little bit larger, more expensive stocks, which I understand. Troy, the one I'm using is $500, and with that, I got 14,000 in buying power. So I get 14,000 in buying power. I'm not sure, Ramesh. Nice power zone. What broker are you using, if you don't mind me asking? These are a list of yesterday's losers. Yeah, we'll see if any of these pop today. Gonna be watching NETE for a potential short. ESRX is another one I'm watching for potential short. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's up so much already. I'm looking for it to fill some of that gap. To go in the counter direction, I'm watching VBLT. See if it can rebound here in reverse and continue to head up. So Troy, the way it works is you get 14,000 in buying power or 14,000 in leverage. And if you go over a $700 max loss, they close your account down. So if my account equity gets to 13,300, they close my account down. And I mean, I can open up another account if I want, but they close it down if they close this specific account down every time it gets under 13,300. So anytime you go under $700, that's when they close it down. You can see NETE's really moving a lot so far in this pre-market session. It's up to 810 now on NETE. Yeah, I've heard that true, Atheon. I don't know, man. I've never had to try to get a third account. Yeah, I've heard good and bad things about Trade Zero. Never used them before though. ORPN needs some more volume. BSPM. Yeah, I like BSPM a little bit. Right. That's how I feel too, Atheon. I gotta focus on maintaining this account and not losing it. I mean, I still have $500, $530 to lose on this one, so I still got some room, but it hasn't been going great. Yeah, if they don't let me get another TradeNet account after this, I'm gonna have to use SureTrader, I think, or maybe kind of explore different options. Good morning, George. Yes. Faisal. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name, but yeah, I'm a U.S. resident. I live here in Texas, and so I was able to sign up. EBIO. Not a bad daily if it can get over this 113 area. but it needs some more volume. I don't really see anything I necessarily like with it right now. SPY getting a really nice push, like somebody mentioned. Nice move on it. Hi, C. Marciga. Welcome. Good morning, Juan. Trade zero is only for non-US. I didn't know that. No, I haven't. C. Marcia or Marciga. Yeah, I'm definitely watching NETED, Evan. It's pushing up nicely here. Watching TEUM as well. A few other ones. Today I got to work on that SPY choppiness action. Good morning, Burham. No problem, C. Marciga. RNN. Yeah, I do like RNN. This one's a former runner, I believe, as well. I remember this one running up. Yeah, this one was at 7 a few years ago. Has a little push every few days. You can see. But I do like this one. This is one of those swing trading setups I look for. No volume and then a late day volume spike right before the close. Definitely what I look for. We'll watch this one for sure. And it's tradable on TradeNet, so that's nice to see. What's up, Sam? Nah, don't really have a specific hot one. The main one I'm watching is NETE. I could go long or short on this one. You know, I like it for a short if it breaks under 750. Like it for a long if it breaks over 840. So, gonna wait to see how that one reacts. You know. Yes. In fact, if you ever see me trade on TradeNet, I rarely use a market order. I usually just get in on the bid or ask. No, no, you can use limit orders. You can see if I got a type right here, there's market, range orders, stop, stop limit, trailing stops based off of price and percentage. So yeah, I can use multiple different types of orders on TradeNet. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I mean, brawling, the thing with TradeNet is And this is what everybody should really understand about TradeNet. TradeNet is CFD trading, which is contract for difference. And so because of that, you usually get filled at a pretty decent spot, even with a market order. So market orders, you're going to get filled at a little bit better spots, as long as the spread is decent. Not as much you have to worry about whenever you're using like a conventional broker. Just because TradeNet is CFDs, and so market orders are usually filled at decent spots, at least in my experience with them so far. What's up, Max? Top of the morning to you, Max. What's up, man? But yeah, you can see NETE starting to push up and test that pre-market high. It's at 8:30 now. It closed yesterday at 6:11, so definitely looking at this one for a potential short or a long, depending on how it reacts to the open. Appreciate it, C. Marciga. You too as well. Yeah, the fills on TradeNet are actually pretty decent, just because it's contract for difference trading, so you usually get filled almost immediately. Never really had a problem, and rarely ever even get partial fills, but I don't use too big of sizing, and so I think that's kind of why. Since I'm using tiny sizing, my orders are usually filled right away. You see, I'm also watching OGEN here. Had a really big day, a huge day yesterday. You can see it went all the way up to $4.20 even. And then today, it's gapping up some. Closed at 261. It's at 303 now. So gonna keep an eye on OGEN as well. But I should have U stock up and running tomorrow, hopefully. Oh no, I understand, Troy. No, I haven't checked that one out yet. Right, that's what I'm saying. Brawling. A lot of times you can see me on U stock. On U stock, I use market orders, just because they're easier to get in and out of. I don't want to risk not getting filled with a limit and losing the profits I made on a specific trade. So on U stock, I usually use market orders. CVRS, AFMD. I don't know if I like CVRS. It's a high float stock. You can tell by how choppy it is during the day. And it has a small range. And so we'll see. Maybe better fitted for like a swing trade, in my opinion. You can see the SPY and the TVIX probably is washing. Yeah, and the SPY is pushing up. ZAGG. Easily, I like TradeNet better. Yeah, I'm going to see if ZAGG can bounce back here. Really, I definitely like TradeNet better than Ustock, Troy. Just because, Ustock, stocks that are running big, a lot of times they'll label them limited liquidity and keep you from getting into the trades. At least TradeNet will tell you if you can trade one or not. They won't change it if the stock starts to run. That's the biggest problem I have with Ustock, but I definitely like TradeNet better. But yeah, hopefully, the market's been a little slow since it's springtime. Hopefully we can get some more movement. and get some decent runners today. Sorry, since here I can bring the mic a little bit closer. Let me know if that's better. Yeah, the mic was a little bit farther away, but I can bring it closer so you guys can hear me better. Yeah, I'm going to be watching VBLT for a possible reversal here. It gapped all the way down to 205 at its lows from 690 where it closed yesterday. I'm going to look up the news release. Good morning, the kid. What's up, man? Good morning, Lewis. KOBN1. Yeah, KOBN's not showing. PCMI is another one I'm watching. PCMI. GALT. Yeah, I kind of like GALT. I do like this one. Small gap. A lot of times the ones with the smallest gap run the most. And so I'll keep an eye on GALT to see if I can get in on possibly Robinhood maybe. What's up, T-Battle? Thanks for the subscribe, man. But yeah, we've got some movers today. I'm going to try to look up why VBLT is dropping like it is. See if I can figure out why. KOPN. Okay, I'll check it out. No worries. Alright, so VBLT is down because it's biogenetics. It's a biogenetic stock and it plummeted after brain cancer treatment trial fails. So it had failed trials on VBLT. And so I was thinking about a possible rebound play with that one, but I have a little bit less confidence in it now just because you can see that's pretty bad news on VBLT with that huge drop. So, you know, I'm going to be careful with it. What's up, QCast? Thanks for the subscribe, man. Welcome. But yeah, that's pretty bad news. It's failed cancer trials, and so not the best news for VBLT. I was thinking on a rebound play, but I don't really like that news. You can see NETE is starting to break the high of the day now. It just got up to 845. It's going to test 850, it looks like. And so NETE is pushing up in pre-market so far. And we still have 10 minutes left until the open. Another one I'm watching is NSPR. Not a huge gap, but it's gapping up enough. Maybe see if it can run. And a PCMI. Gonna watch this one maybe for a short. Drop down, fill some of this gap. Right, me too, Troy. What's up, Wizard? KR? Yeah, keeping an eye on Kroger as well. Yeah, I'm in Texas, so we have a lot of Krogers around here. Krogers are expensive, but, you know, they have nice food. I like H-E-B better, though, here in Texas. It's cheaper, more stuff. But we probably end up shopping at Kroger more here. Hobby, I use Trade Ideas. Yeah, I have Trade Ideas. Trading Warriors. You mean Warrior Trading 7? You said Trading Warriors has a crew of dudes that pushes random stocks. They like a gang. Yeah, I don't think Warrior Trading does that. Maybe Trading Warriors. I've never heard of Trading Warriors. But yeah, that's something you really got to be careful of. A lot of these big stock gurus with chat rooms are just pumping up stocks, and then they're kind of leaving their viewers bag holding the stocks they're pumping up. You know, a lot of them do it. You know, they show you all their gains, and some of their gains might be legitimate. And just to verify, I'm not talking about Warrior Trading. I actually like Warrior Trading, so don't get me wrong. I'm not talking about Warrior Trading. But a lot of these other gurus, they'll just pump up stocks, and you know, they'll just pump up stocks they're holding, and then they'll let all their followers know about it, and then by the time they're out and the stock starts to tank, the followers are still holding it, and so it's just kind of a rough cycle. You got to be careful with a lot of these gurus. They just end up pumping up the stocks. CLSD, yeah, keep an eye on that one as well. Since it's $100 a month for me with trade ideas. I'll see if I can find an affiliate link insurance. I don't know if I have one or not. I'll try to check out and see. I've never actually looked for one. They may have one. I'll try to check. Message me on Facebook. I'll try to find one. But appreciate it, man. Yeah, somebody accused me of just trying to profit from affiliate links, and literally the only affiliate link I have is TradeNet, and I don't think anybody's actually signed up through my link. I've never actually made money through it, so definitely not rolling in money from my affiliate links over here. Right, right, Amada. That's the way to do it, man. I don't copy anybody. I've gotten in trouble copying people before, and so I try to come up with my own ideas. But even for this chat room that I'm running right now for the live stream, there's a lag on the stream by like 30 seconds. A lot of times I'm out of the trade by that point, and plus I'm trading really high float stocks a lot of the times, like the SPY, and so there's no, with the amount of followers I have, I couldn't pump up a stock if I wanted to, you know. But I have been accused of it before by people that really don't understand the market. Yeah, appreciate it, guys. Yeah, hey, if you want to sign up with it, Troy, message me on Facebook, and I'll send you the affiliate link. I appreciate it. I mean, I try to tell people the honest truth about TradeNet. The biggest flaw is that a lot of these cheap penny stocks are not tradable. So before you sign up, Troy, you can see OGEN is not tradable. NSPR is not. What's another one? VBLT. VBLT is. TEUM is not. And so a lot of these cheap stocks are not tradable. And so you want to take that into consideration before jumping into it. Yeah, I'll check it out, Salty. I've never seen it, man. I'll have to look for it if they do have a affiliate link. Every time I post an affiliate link, though, like I said, I always get some guy in there telling me I'm just trying to profit off of everybody. And so I don't, the only one I've ever really posted is TradeNet. And like I said, I don't think I've ever actually had anybody sign up through it. All right, guys, we got about 3.5 minutes until the open. Nice, dog. Congrats, man. Yeah, I think a lot of people do that in this room, Amada. But yeah, congrats, dog. That's awesome, man. Congrats on the baby. It'll change your life, dude. Catch up on your sleep before he or she is born, because that's the biggest difference after a baby's born. You're not going to get any sleep for like probably about 6 months. So catch up on your sleep before they're born, man, because you're going to be running on empty after they're born for sure. See you, Brawling. Thanks. Have a good one, man. CRVS is rebounding all the way back up here. We'll see what happens. I bet, dog. That sounds like the right name for you, man. Yeah, I have a 8-year-old and a 4-year-old. 4-year-old's home from school today for they have pink eye. The most useless reason for them to stay home, pink eye. You know, that means he's okay, but he just can't go to school. IBIO. Yeah, for any TE, I mean, I don't really have a plan with it. I do like IBIO though, but my plan with any TE is just to see, what it does at the open. I'm just gonna react. I like it for a short if it drops down under 750, and if it continues to push up, obviously I like it for a long as well. So I'm just gonna wait and react to what it does at the open. And that's how you know I'm not really pumping up a stock, is because, I'm biased both ways with this one. Not biased, but I think you could go either way. I'm not trying to tell you it's going to go up for sure or it's going to go down for sure. I think it could go either way. I'm going to short it if it drops under 750, and if it continues to push up, I may go long on it as well. So we'll see which way it goes, Alright guys, opening up in about 30 seconds. Good luck everyone. Alright, market's opening up soon guys. Here's the open. SPY starting to fall some. OGEN starting to pick back up here. TXMD pushing. ECYT. Look at ECYT here. ECYT's running big. Alright, I might short PCMI here. There's a bounce, so I'm going to wait a little bit. Look at OGEN though, guys. OGEN is pushing up really nice here. TEUM is washing. Alright, so NETE having a little washout long here. and PCMI. So watching both of these. Ah, PCMI isn't tradable. Ah, man. Really was wanting to jump in PCMI there for a washout long, but missed it. I guess I could try any TE, but not that confident in this one now. It's having a little bit of trouble. Struggling some. Would have been a beautiful trade too. Look at that. My trade idea was correct. I guess that's what I should be happy about, but I'm not smoking a J Troy. I'm smoking an E-cig, man. Like I said, man, my son's home from school today. I would never. Big drop in IMMR. Or IMRN. Man, PCMI would have been a beautiful trade. OGEN, though, guys, has been running up all morning here. I'm going to jump in NSPR here. You can see this is kind of what I'm looking at. A washout long, maybe. I'm going to buy 45 shares of it. Ugh, jumped out at the wrong time. Bad fill on NSPR, but gonna hold it, let it work some here. See if we can get over 3. KOPN, GALT. Looking at the SPY here. Ugh, don't like that drop on NSPR. Looks like it's faking me out. Look at the spread on NSPR. Gross spread, man. SPY pulling back some. TEUM is trying to get around that high of the day. And any TE is washing. No, Troy. No PDT rule on TradeNet. BPMX. Yeah, I don't really like NSPR anymore. I'm going to jump out of it. Well, I can. I got out of it. I just didn't like that for like a $6 loss. Watching NETE here for a short under 8. Alright, so here's NETE testing 8. Missed it. My order got rejected. Yeah, I'm waiting for a bounce in NSPR here, or in NETE. Nice job, Hein. Alright, so I got in NETE here. Maybe a little early. See if it can continue down here on NETE. There's a drop. Nice. Yeah, I don't know if I like it now. Just trying to bounce here. Maybe it looks like a reversal play. got in at that low of the day break on NETE. Don't know if I like it now, like I said. Looks like it may reverse here. Gonna jump out of it if it does. For a tiny loss. I took a small share size, see if it would continue heading down. INNT has been on a big run this morning. INNT. ESRX. I was really thinking about shorting this one. If you saw me earlier today, I said I wanted to short this one. Maybe I should start focusing on the more expensive stocks a little bit. SPY showing some choppiness action. NETE is just frozen right now. I don't know if it's my Thinkorswim or if it's actually this frozen, but gonna give it a little bit more time. NVIV. Look at NVIV, guys, for this little cheap penny stock. Had a nice washout long setup. It's been running ever since. Bummed out I missed this one on Robinhood. SPY's trying to break the high of the day here. SPY's getting up there, just broke the high of the day. There's a drop on NETE. See if it continues down this time. There we go. There we go. Nice drop. See if it continues heading down. Still holding NETE. Not too confident in it. Whenever it dropped and broke that low of the day, it kind of bounced right back. Usually when a stock starts to drop after breaking the low, it continues to head down. This one, it's kind of teetering back and forth. Doesn't really show the best weakness here. And so not too confident in this one now. I'm going to go ahead and set a stop loss over 8. And then maybe focus on the SPY stum here. I said I was going to try to work on this choppiness action on the SPY. And so I'm going to kind of focus on this now. After my stop is set on NETE. Wait, I didn't get in the SPY today. I don't know why it's saying I did. Oh, that's from yesterday. I don't know why that's still up. Yesterday I said I was going to try to focus on taking advantage of the choppiness of the SPY. And we'll see if it works. CADC washing out pretty big here. Yeah, CRIS, nice move here. Yeah, still waiting on NETE to wash. See if we can get under that low. Getting close here. SPY still acting choppy. Yeah, I don't know. NETE looks like it may start reversing here. There we go, low of the day break. Just broke the low for a second. We'll see if it continues here. go. There's the drop I was looking for in NETE. Bounced right back. Fake me out, maybe? I don't know. Still waiting on NETE. See what it does here. Probably should have used a little bit larger sizing on NETE. I would have been up a big amount already, 40, 50 cents. But unfortunately, I just used a tiny sizing. And so, I mean, it's pushing down here. We'll see if it continues here. Trying to have patience. Level 2 is just kind of crazy on NETE. I mean, it's down a lot. I just don't know if it's going to actually break under that 50-cent area. It's $3 for a round trip in what I'm in, Troy. There we go. Nice drop. See if it continues here. Gets under that $half. There we go. Nice drop. More. We'll see if we can get under 750 here. I should have used larger share size with this one. I'm waiting for too big of a move here. I was up a decent amount. Decent percentage wise. But use a little bit too small of share size with this one. May come around and bite me now. Yeah, it looks like this one might come around and hurt me now. Should have got out when I had a decent percentage-wise gain. SPY breaking that low here. Look at the SPY. Trying to crack the low. Let me go ahead and set a stop. That's 795. Get out for a small loss if I do. Focus on the SPY now. Just broke the low of the day here. ECYT has been slowly grinding up here though. IMUC. IMUC breaking the high. Broke over 8 now. NETE seems frozen right here. I'm going to go ahead and get out of NETE for basically a break-even trade. Lost a few cents, literally, on that one. Just kind of lesson learned. I need to take a little bit bigger sizing. That was way too small of sizing with that one. And that's ultimately why I didn't profit. I mean, I got in at a really good point. Let me see. I think I got in around $8. Would have been up 40, 50 cents. And it just wasn't enough to really profit from with the tiny share size I took. But my trade idea was correct, and I think that's one of the things I need to work on. But yeah, really a lot of choppiness on the SPY today. Broke the low, and now it's bouncing back. Next plan of action is to short the SPY after a pullback here. Yeah, Gary, unfortunately with TradeNet, I can't get into PCMI. I tried this morning with a correct trade idea. You can see, wow, look at JGX. Absolutely right, PCMI. Yeah, so you can see I tried to actually go long. Oh my gosh, I missed my short on the SPY. Well, I don't know if being late is better than never, but I'll try it here. Alright, I'm short with 30 shares on the SPY. Got to be a little bit longer term hold with this one since it's finally starting to drop and move some. Broke out of its channel. But like I said, I wanted to short it here at 7:30 or at 45, and I just kind of missed my entrance. But yeah, I actually tried to go long on JAGX. If you watched it this morning, I saw this washout long here, and I actually tried to go long and ride it up for this entire dollar push, but it's not tradable on TradeNet, unfortunately. Missed my entrance on the SPY. My idea was correct. I was wanting to short it here at 45. Missed my entrance, chased it, and now I'm in a losing trade. So not really what I wanted to see. Get ready to get out of it if it starts to push back up here. Yeah, I seriously doubt JAGX is tradable on TradeNet, but I'll check. Yeah, it's not. But look at that move. Beautiful move on it. Alright, we'll see if the SPY continues heading in my direction after that low of the day break. It's basically a break-even trade right now. We'll see if it continues here. JAGX is pushing back up, trying to test the high of the day again. We'll see if that works out. A little worried the SPY is going to start reversing and heading back up here with how choppy it's been lately. Yes, Troy. Yeah, I'm using TradeNet. Yeah, PAXY starting to push back up here. Yeah, Troy, I use tiny sizing, man. I don't use huge sizing. Here we go. Nice break in the SPY. All right, I got out with a 4-something profit, small profit on the SPY. I'll take it. PIXY starting to push up here. I missed my entry on the SPY. I really wanted to short it right here at 45 at 273.45, but I missed my entry, and so any tiny profit is acceptable for me on that trade as long as I can get out without losing money on it. You know, I'll take that. ESRX is a short I was thinking about this morning, just didn't have the guts to get into it, and just broke the low of the day, continues on its way down now. But PIXY, watching it really closely over this 47-cent area. So right now it's basically like a break-even day, almost 100% break-even. I'm not down anything. I'm not up anything. After commissions, lost a few cents on NETE and just looks like it was the wrong idea to get out of it though. Should have stuck to my trade idea with NETE. It's starting to drop, maybe break the low right here. My exit on the SPY was good though. Got out when I should have on that one. I think I need to start using a little bit larger share size so I can, a lot of times my trade idea is correct. I just don't use big enough sizing. Four shares, huh? On BPMX or on JAGX. Alright, so PIXY is looking really strong here. It just broke that high of pre-market. We actually have some decent movers today in the market. Not too bad. But PIXY is breaking that $half area, or trying to now. Yeah, R and N didn't end up going anywhere this morning. OKTA. OKTA pushing up, breaking the high of the day now. Just broke over 42. And you can see VBLT. You know, I really was thinking about buying this one for a rebound play after this huge drop. But the bad news, it had me, kind of swayed me the other way. But you can see it pushed up nicely and rebounded like I wanted it to. So I should have focused on that one a little bit more as well. FNSR breaking the high of the day, continuing to push up. SPY bouncing off of 273. PTI sitting right around the high of the day. We'll see if we can get some volume in and maybe have some momentum to keep pushing up. And there goes NETE. So my trade idea on this one was correct as well. I just didn't have the patience. Would have been a nice gain if I would have just held, but it was too choppy. It could have easily gone in the other direction, but should have focused on that more. Maybe had the patience to hold it, but now it's finally breaking under that low. Doesn't look like it wants to go much further down though, so we'll see what happens. Pixie finally having a huge pullback here. Nice, Troy. Good job, man. Alright guys, well, the market slowed down some. I'm going to go ahead and close the stream down now. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button. Troy, we hope to see you back tomorrow, man. And appreciate everybody watching. If you haven't already, like I said, hit that subscribe button. And everybody do me a favor and click the like button right now on this video. Do it right now. We appreciate the support. And yeah, guys, break-even day, not a bad day, not a good day. Hopefully I'll be able to do a little bit better tomorrow and get some decent gains in the market. I think tomorrow I'm going to try to use a little bit larger sizing with my positions. What I've noticed is that a lot of times my trade idea is correct. I just don't use big enough sizing to take advantage of it. Like I was up 40 cents on NETE, but with my tiny 15 shares, it just wasn't enough to actually make any profit. My SPY trade was okay. Wanted to jump in at 45 and would have been a nice short, but I chased it and I missed my initial entry and then chased it, and so that's something I'm going to have to work on as well. Definitely going to be paying attention to these overextended gappers for shorting them in the morning like NETE. That's kind of one of those setups that I think works a decent percentage of the time and could be a good setup to add to my arsenal, so that's something I'm going to focus on tomorrow as well. But yeah guys, good luck for the rest of the day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later, and have a good one, guys.